So how to really create an exceptional experience for your customers in 2019. But what's customer experience? In our perspective, customer experience is everything from the product quality and design aspects to the operational and logistical capacities of your company, and into customer service. And how do you wow your customers through customer service? Well, I think one of the basic principles here is you need to be everywhere where your customers are. But beyond that, we could be a little bit more precise and say everywhere where your marketing has an action, you need to be there to monitor and engage with your customers. So if you're sending out emails, you want to make sure that your replies are being closely monitored and replied very promptly to your customers. If you're doing a lot of Facebook ads, your customers will be engaging on those ads. They will be leaving positive and maybe sometime a little bit less positive comments on them. You want to make sure that you have a customer service agent that is monitoring and replying to anybody that deserves a reply on those ads. Same thing with Instagram. You want to make sure people are engaging with your brand. They're tagging their friends. Be there. Be part of the conversation. And finally, through chat, be relevant. So there is ways to engage a little bit automatically through chat in order to create those conversations, but make sure that your chat agents are trained and that they know the product, that are on sites, and that they are really able to help the customers with their sometimes a little bit more technical question. So yeah, just be everywhere where your customers are, train your agents, and make sure that you're engaging with them appropriately and in a timely manner.